Huawei's P20 roster is due to be officially unveiled on March 27 in Paris, but it's not like it's been shrouded in secrecy. The latest in a series of leaks we have today is of the P20 Lite version, in a color scheme we like to call life-altering blue. We kinda like blue phones. A few days ago we gave you a first look of the Blue Huawei P20 Lite in the wild, and today we have an even clearer photo to share. We can see the back in full view, the dual sensors on the back, a main 16MP cam and a second 2MP depth sensing unit, the fingerprint scanner and the lovely liquid-like mirror finish of the panel. We also managed to scavenge a few other leaked photos and a hands-on video of the upcoming Huawei P20 Lite. The images below show the same back and the front with the notch top display. The video is technically a hands-on, although we only get some modest 360 action. Yes, we see the working screen but we don't see the phone being used. Oh well. The lone live photo only shows the back of the phone, and it matches the look we're familiar with from previous leaks. First leaks showed a surely named prototype, then came TNAT and press renders. The Huawei P20 Lite is said to sport a notched, gasp, 5.84-inch 1080p and display, and will be powered by the in-house Kirin 659 chip. Two cameras will be on the back, of course, but the second is just a 2MP one for depth sensing, so no Leica branding. That will run you €370 in Europe, though all of the above remains to be officially confirmed. The Huawei P20 Lite will pack a 5.84-inch 1080 display with little to no bezel, classy glass body, but will cut back on things like Leica branded cameras and more than 4GB of RAM to push the price to below €400. It's expected to go for €370.